Hello, beautiful people. It's me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine. We will start with the typing lesson. Um, the C comma. Okay. Mm, oh, not big one. When so saved 30 30. Oh crap. Delete. Here. Delete that. J4. J equals 1. J smaller. C. So J plus plus. F. Delete. C. Crap. There we go. Okay, what is happening? Oh, nothing really. Where is it? Okay, so that was a little bit of destruction, and I was doing JavaScript. Let's see what has the second highest uncompleted percentage. So 52 SQL seems to be the next one. Okay, so let's do that one. Okay, email, so this one, oh yeah, they want this value. So I'll copy this here, then I'll take what is inside of the quotes, copy, and we'll put it in here. Oh, damn it, maybe I will not. Like so. Okay. So here we have a result, and that will be is not null, so 5 is not null. Here it is boolean like so. That's good. We are creating table people with ID and name, cats with owner and name. Then we are inserting into people ID name under the mirror. And the cats. Okay, Mrs. Fluff. Okay, find cat names, person name. So we have all cat names. We are selecting people, which will be the entire object. No, select ID. So there will be ID equals something. Okay, so we have a person. Okay, and we push cat's name. So it will return an array, and in there will be the cat, which is Mrs. Fluff. So we are creating two tables, people and cats, people ID. Okay, so that is the same thing we had previously. Then here comes the deletion. That might be the problem, because we are we are first deleting the cat, which is referencing Betty in here, and Betty has only one reference to her from different. So this is okay. Create table users, email text unique. Then okay, so here's the injection example. We'll get error because there is no such a table like users. Create a table people, two fields, cats, the same thing we had. Now we are inserting into cats, but we don't have it is the foreign key, the ID, and we don't have anything in people, so this is error as well. Specifically is we don't have a record in people which would have the ID 200. Some code, drop the students table. Okay, so we will be doing injection, and that will go like this. Oh, no, not this one. I want normal quote, yeah. So I will close the statement over here, like so, and we will separate this SQL command, and now I will say drop table, which was it? Students, students, and I will comment the rest of it. This one should work, and it does. So we finish function people and cats so that it creates list a list of each pair of cat and person for every cat. Call results push to build up a list of results. Okay, so we are selecting that, and they should be paired. Okay, so result push. So we have all people. Then we have a just the cat where it has the owner ID, so we should be okay. We should just push the object in it, and that will be cat, and here it will be cat dot, what is it name? Cat name. Cat, is it cat name? Cats, it is a name in here. So we will probably not inserting it as a cat name. Cat dot name, okay, yeah, okay. So cat name, and then we will have a person, and that will be person dot name, I think. Yep. And we will close it. That, close the for cycle, and that looks like it could be good. Okay. Add an entry to the results array for each person and cat, where cat owner ID equals person ID. You can use the same thing we did to add an entry. You won't need any more database queries. Okay, cool. So I could do that. Okay, so if and we have a person dot ID equals cat just cat dot, what was it, owner ID, then we will push it onto on the results. So results dot push, and we will put an object in there, and it will be cat is cat dot name, and then person will be person dot not ID, name. I think looks good to me, like so. I'll close the parentheses, brackets, whatever. So what do we have here? Okay, they still have some copy feedback. Removing this one, paste it. Okay, like so. So this will result in an error. Okay, so delete from people where name is Betty. But Betty has a cat, so and the cat was not deleted, so this is error as well. Users email and should be unique, and it's null. That is okay. The null is can be there, so we will have a email. Not that. What I wanted delete not everything. Email null, and the second one will be the same. Email and null. Okay, close it. Some problem for me to complete. Create cats table with text name and owner ID integer for the key that references ID. Sure. So create table cats. Let's split it, shall we? We will have a name. That one will be text. That is one, and the second one is owner ID. Owner ID integer. And that was references was the keyword. References, and it will be in people, and the field is ID. Like so. I'll close that. Maybe like this. Looks good to me. Okay. Here's a table where some users have a cat and some don't. Select our users that have a cat. So we will select from users where where cat name not null, I think would be the thing to say here. What it is. Create stable users, integer, that's primary key, name text not null. Then we have a foreign key, user ID, and comment, that is text not null. Okay. Copy, get feedback. Yes. Answer comment for then in reviews. Hope this helps. Two comments can reference the same values. Yeah, sure. So this will be okay. Now what? Create table people, cats. Oh, Did you foreign key written differently? It's foreign key, what it is, references. Ah, foreign key on ID references. Okay. Insert into people. We have Amira and Mrs. Fluff connected, Betty and Kinu. Then we are selecting cat's ID as cat ID and person ID when they have a match on people ID, cat's owner ID. Okay, so we will have uh, cat ID, and that will be dang it. Okay, 100 and person ID, and that is. Oh, wait a moment. I made a poo-poo. I made a mistake. That's okay, because this one I can correct it. And so we have this guy over here. This is wrong what I did. I wanted, yeah, this thing. And that will be 1. Yeah. And then I will have the second result, and that will be cat ID, and here will be number 2, and person ID will be 200. 200. I will close it. I'm correct. Create table people ID integer primary key text name text not null. Sure, that's the same thing. Integer primary key text not null. Owner ID integer. Oh, wait a moment. It's not a foreign key. It just says integer not null. Okay, so what are they doing? Database holds both Amirs and Bettycats. Select. Let's distinguish between them. Select name of yeah. So we will have. I didn't press it twice. Weird. What was that? Wow. So. So this will be name. Our ID, owner ID is 100, so that is Mrs. Fluff. Mrs. Fluff. Like so. Create table users. Has email. No, it has to be unique. So, and now we are inserting two same values, so this is a problem and it will result in error. Select null plus 1 as result, so everything plus null is null, so result will be null. Okay. What else do we have? User's email text is unique. Then insert into values, and we are dropping the users. So this is error. We have no table users. We have 5 more minutes to go. Okay, let's just continue and see how far we can get. Use a join to find cats and their toys. The join should return two columns alias to it as cat and a toy. Okay, sure. So select I want what? Get that name as let's be a little bit creative. We'll do it this way. As cat, then we will have uh, toys, so it will be toys dot name as is it name? Yeah, it is. As toy, that is not toy, toy. Um, and then we will say from. And do I need to have the join in here? From I can do that. So from, and that will be cats join toys on, and that will be cats dot id equals toys dot cat 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 id. Is this good? I hope so. It is. Okay, cool. Few more minutes. So write groom function dot inserts. Update use on conflict do update, and I will be writing just one. Okay, okay, on conflict, and that will be what? Cat name, yeah. So on conflict cat name do update set count and we will add. I don't. Maybe I cannot do this here, so I will do equals count plus 1, like so. Okay, and we have a syntax error near cat name on conflict. Maybe that should be in bananas. Maybe. Here's problem for you to complete. Select the number 17. Okay. Select, and I can do just this. And I think that should be enough. Yep. Then we have another stuff. And the another stuff is creating a table with cats, and then we are inserting Mrs. Fluff. Then we are selecting age and age plus 1 as age next year. So will give us those two things. And it will be age, and that will be 3, and then we have age next year, and that is 4. Okay, you can close that. And we have reached our time. So that means we are done. Done is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye.